So
Just be completely fucking whacked out.
That's easy. Anyways, I got a cramp in my back because I worked a whole hour today. 59 minutes and a 1 minute break. Anyways, we're talking about what do you call it? Oak railings? Help me out. Oak? Anyways, this Slovakian chick, right? She was a maid, and I caught her masturbating on her lunch break.
On the railing?
Yeah, I'm not kidding. But I don't know if it was oak or maple, right? But it wasn't cedar. Because if it was cedar, I would have beat her.
but it might have been because you see her.
I cedar saw her on the teeter-totter. And there's, no, she's like rubbing her little, what do you call it, yoni? Is that the nice word? Yoni. And I was putting my shoes on upstairs after lunch. She didn't know I was still in the house, right? And I put my, actually they weren't shoes, they were boots. Like 3/4.
Boots or boots?
Not knee highs. I don't wear knee highs when I'm working. Usually small ones with a nice little insert, you know, like for the arch. And anyways, I looked down and she looks up the staircase and it turns purple. Not beet red. We're talking purple beet red. Her face. Because and she's just sitting there masturbating on the old I think it was maple. I'm not quite sure, but this message has been brought to you by Old Milwaukee. 20 years ago, right?
So did she bend over and shine
20
her
years
shoes
ago when I was
with the railing
when I was
down?
5 years old. It was very embarrassing for me and my soul because I'm only 25 today. I'm 25, and but this one you can't adjust. Like, it should be hydraulics, you know, and adjust it up and down depending on who needs to use it. Who's your daddy? I can't believe the town of Gibson's puts this shit out for people to use.
Maybe we should just modify it. Okay, Mike, that's
You put that on YouTube, I'm gonna kill you.
It's
Adventure or Big Bird?
The Adventure of Big Bird. Yeah, okay, so conclude the story.
So, 15 years later, I'm at a funeral in West Vancouver, right? And I bump into this, and I go, "Is that you? You used to be attractive when you were hung on the pole, the handrail, right?" And what I need to know is, was it oak? Was it maple? Was it some kind of imported fucking shit from Brazil? You know, like cheap shit? No, it was nice rounded. It wasn't steel, and it was perfect height for her little yoni, right? I'm not a girl, so I don't know what feels good, right? It's like, oh,
Hey, you gotta wave if you stare. I've got an orange shirt too.
Say hello to my little friend.
We're filming a well, in the U now. We're filming a story.
Oh, we're filming a caterpillar. Down over there. A caterpillar.
Why don't you shine your shoes? Your brand new shoes.
No, but look
Shine
at
your shoes.
look at the caterpillar. Okay. Over and out.
Shoot.
Alright, so this is how the story goes. One day, Mary had to go to work. And she asked me to make her a sandwich. So I went into the house and I grabbed a paper plate because we don't do dishes in my house. We just burn all the paper plates. And well, we can't burn now, so there's a pile of paper plates, but whatever, that's another story. Anyhow, so I grabbed I grabbed the bun and I put some relish and mayo and mustard, and put the other bun on it with my cock in the middle. And I walked outside and I said, "Honey, lunch is served."
Honey mustard.
What happens next?
I said, no way, there's no way I'm eating that. That's too much mustard, too much mayo, too much ketchup, and not enough meat. And you know, at the end of the day, I think it's really about the year and a half or a year and 3/4, almost 2 years now, because there's new variant and stuff. It's about the pandemic, and this is why all the sex talk is all about, because you know, you don't want to go out and meet somebody right now. Everybody's wearing masks. How are you going to see how they look like? So I think it's all the sex talk is about being really frustrated for a year and a half.
I've never seen a hard on going
What are you
that way.
doing, dude?
Usually
Like,
points to the
you
sky.
need to go up.
I'm sanding. I'm a painter.
Aren't you
Such
left-handed?
an idiot.
Oh right. Sorry. Oh, isn't that nice? Is that naga hide?
I don't know.
Is that leather?
I believe it's metal.
How do you know?
I don't know. Lick it.
It's aluminium. So she's skiing at the Cypress Bowl in North or West Vancouver. She gave me a call. She goes, "Oh, Michael." Yes. The mountain is closed. Closed. I said, "Why did they close the mountain?" Cypress Bowl. And because they saw Santa Claus. I said, "You saw Santa Claus?" This is like in December. Santa Claus? And she's laughing her guts out in a Japanese accent. And I said, "No." She said, "No. They crossed the mountain because they saw Santa Claus." I said, "Well, it's only December 5th. Santa Claus doesn't come till December 25th, right?" She's laughing her guts out. She doesn't even speak English that well. She's trying to say thunderclouds in Japanese. It's like Santa Claus. Right? Not allowed to laugh. You're the cameraman. Anyways, I said, "Why are you calling?" Because they close the mountain early, right? So she wanted to come over for a cup of tea. If you know what I mean. End of story.